Hi everyone. Today we will complete the math activity from the primary packet for April the 29th. So it looks like this for you. If you go to the outline and go down to the 29th, it's math page 5 in the packet, which is this problem. These two problems right here. With this one, and you'll notice that we're adding to 20 horizontally. So we're working across the page. And if you are interested, you can watch a BrainPop Junior video before you begin. Just go to BrainPop Junior. This is totally optional if you have the attention span and the time that you would want to do this. And you can do one of two things. You can either go through and request free access by clicking here. For your parents, you could do this, and you go down and do family access. And if you are requesting access because of the COVID-19 pandemic, your access will be extended through June 15th, okay? So you just submit that, and they'll get you hooked up with a username and password. If you'd like to just use the Wayne username and password we have school, click on login, and it's Wayne MCE. Password is POP, P-O-P. Click login. And it's under math. And then you can go to
measure addition and subtraction.
Right there.
Addition and subtraction.
And go to basic adding.
Basic adding. Pop a joke.
And in this video, Annie and Moby will show you some tricks and techniques and tools for helping you to complete math problems. So if you'd like to do that before you work with me on these math problems on this math paper, you can pause the video with me and do that now. If not, we can just keep going along. So here we are with Paige and Drew, and it says
Paige counts 6 sponges.
She counts 6 sponges. If you were wondering what these are, my daughter thought that they might be hunks of cheese. They kind of look like that to me too. So let's count them together, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is why the number 6 is here. You can trace it, and I will work on matching. Do you see the number 6? I see it. Let's match 6.
6.
Excellent. Now let's look at the sign. What does this sign say?
Plus.
Nice job. Plus, because we are going to add together. It says
Drew counts 6 sponges.
Drew, her friend, also counted 6 sponges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do that again. You trace and I will match. 6.
6.
Then we have an equal sign.
Equal.
When we are adding horizontally or across, we set up our problem like this with an equals sign. And then here's our blank. It says,
how many altogether?
So how many sponges are there all together? We have 6 plus 6 equals how many altogether? One way that you could do this, just like if you watched the Brain Pop Junior video, you saw there are lots of ways to do addition. You can use touch points, you can count on, you can count objects, and you can use a number line. I'm going to show you a number line tool in the Toy Chest app. I think we were using this before. And I'm going to show you how to scroll to make your number line longer if you need to. So we know that we had 6 sponges. So here we are at 6. And then we had 6 more, which takes us to an answer of how many? That is correct. Now, if you want to scroll, if we had a larger number, parents and kids, I want to show you this. You put your cursor up here where it says scroll, and you can hold down your left click button and move it back and forth to see bigger numbers on the number line, okay? I just want you to see that as an option. Got it? But this takes us right to where we need to be. So let's return to our worksheet. Here we are back at our worksheet, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you see the number 12? I see it. It's a 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. 10, 11, 12.
12.
Well done with that problem. Okay, let's look at the next one for today. Oh, see, this is a problem where we would need our number line to be longer because it begins with a number that's kind of bigger than the number line is. So I'm going to reset this, and we'll talk about how to make those numbers in a minute. Okay, it says that
Paige uses 13 spray bottles.
13 spray bottles. She has a lot. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. While you write that number, I will start looking for it so that we can match. I know that it's at over 10, so I'm going to keep going. 10, 11, 12, and 13. There it is.
13.
Okay, I want to show you on this number line how to make 13. Because as you'll see, we have numbers 1 through 10. So if we wanted to make the number 13, we'd have to put up a 10 and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, which takes us to 13. Or you could just put in a 3 to represent those 3 ones. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 is how many spray bottles that Emily had. And you can see that we're at 13. Now let's scroll over a little bit. Great work. Our problem tells us that Drew
uses 5 spray bottles.
Uses 5 spray bottles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a much easier number. You can write the number 5. That number represents the quantity of spray bottles that Drew has. I'm going to match it. Find the number that looks the same.
5.
Now, our operation
Plus
is addition. We're adding them together to make one group. How many all together? Let's look at our number line. If we put in 5 more, let's put a 5 on our number line and see where we get to. We have 13, and then we do 5 more. We get to the number. Ooh, do you see that big number? What is that? One 10 and 8 ones. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many altogether?
How many altogether?
We have to find the number 18. Here is 8. We know we need at least 1 10 and 8 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18.
Just like on our number line, just like that. Splendid. Well done. Great job, everyone. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for our final primary math activity for this packet. Have a great day.